G'day guys, today my 2019 R1 is getting a makeover. So this is what she currently looks like. Blue, Yamaha blue. It looks mint as it is, but it's time for a change. So Monster Fairings, absolute legends, have sent out this fairing kit. I got a bunch of other like carbon fiber and stuff as well that we're installing. So yeah, get keen for the build. Let me show you the bike first. So basically, I mean, it's pretty stock standard R1 at the moment. All that I've really done is I've deleted the mirrors as an absolute must. It's got the 3/4 system, aqua exhaust. I've already gone ahead and painted the tank black. So prior to this, the tank actually used to be blue. But because I wanted to make this build really clean, I've actually had the tank painted black. So I'll show you what I mean later, but this will make the build look cleaner because I'm putting a carbon fiber piece over the top of this, and I don't want any blue showing. On the rear, I have a 260 tire, so 200 wide, 60 height. On the back here makes the rear look fatter, obviously the flip and dip as well, and then the indicators on the rear. So we're going for a really clean build, and then this color is just going to tie all in perfectly. So again, shout out to Monster Fairings. Thank you guys for sending this box over. You guys are absolute legends, and yeah, let's get into it. So the color I've gone for, and I've had it before, and it looks like literally the best on an R1 in my opinion. It's this beautiful light nano grey, and you can tell as well it's got some metallic flakes through it as well. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. So first things first, what we're going to do is I'm putting winglets. The R1's getting winglets, like carbon fiber winglets. So just so we can obviously get that out of the way first, we're going to take off the side panels and then screw in these carbon fiber winglets on the sides. And hopefully we don't screw that up because we have to actually drill into the fairings, which is a little bit scary. So these are the carbon fiber winglets. This is going to be the scarier part because basically this needs to sit perfectly flush on like that. It needs to sit perfectly flush on like that, but we have to drill through the bottom of this as well, like through the fairing to actually secure the winglet to the actual fairing. We didn't film this bit because like I was anxious, Jules was anxious. It's a bit fucking nerve-wracking. But basically what we did is we actually got their I'll put one down actually so I can show you. We installed the winglets on the fairing. So this is a bit of a sketchy job, right? Because essentially what we have to do, these winglets, it has 3M tape on the bottom. So we have to get the position perfect, 3M it onto the actual fairing itself, and then from the bottom, drill through and screw them in so they won't move. And it was a bit rough. There is a couple gaps there, but that's the cleanest job we can probably capable of doing. So this will look fucking sick on the side of the bike, because you can imagine, that is gonna look absolutely hectic. Massive winglets at the front, the rest of the bike, nano grey. But this is a simple job, touch wood.
Simple job. Are you good at simple jobs?
Oh, it's a 1 hour job, 20-minute job.
Yeah, that's what you always say.
5 hours later. That's why you have mates, you know, free labour.
Doesn't pay me enough.
Nah, I'll pay you in photos. We just got this bad boy back on, the Pewage windscreen, so now we install this into the bike. So it's not that hard, I just gotta line up, make sure the holes are lined up, so these things get pushed into here. So as long as you line those up perfectly. I can already tell this is gonna look so sick. Now these bad boys, these are my mirror block off plates. Would you believe this is all CNC'd, right? And these little pieces, I think I spent like 200 bucks on, I think it was 300 bucks with shipping. For this, crazy. But changes the look of the bike and makes everything looks 10 times better, so. Alright, our lights died. So we got a cheeky HV4 instead. Alright, this comes off. Boom. Look at all the parts we have on the floor. This is literally the R1 graveyard at this point. Fuck, it's gonna look hectic, man. I'm so keen for this. So this is the carbon fiber tank extender. Super clean. This is really gonna change the look of the bike. Obviously, look, it extends the tank a little bit, but in my opinion, like makes the bike look so much more aggressive. Particularly because I have the winglets in the front of here as well, so they kind of complement each other. These are the gaps I was talking about. You can see through here. You can see it's like 1 mil or 2 mil of black. This is the reason why I had to have a black tank, because if that was blue, it would throw the whole colours of the bike off. So, bingo, just like that, cheap. Boom. For the badging, instead of using the OEM badging and just getting it off the actual fender over there, what I've gone and done instead is I've actually bought these carbon badges. and you can tell, real carbon, they look really nice. Okay, cool. So I skipped a lot of it because Siebes, but we got the back of it on. We've got 2 tail pieces on here, which looks sick. So now we're just doing the final little bit on the build. We've been here for what, 6 hours?
Show around the place.
Yeah, the fucking place is a mess. We had to get like had to do a quick Taco Bell break.
Yeah, show that.
Taco Bell. I always wanted to do a build like this. But my previous R1 had blue rims. That's couldn't be.
And the blue tank.
And a blue tank as well, and I didn't want to go through the whole process of, you know, doing what I had to do for this one. Oh, why'd you put the stickers on my fucking thing? You dickhead. Fuck it up. You're lucky that came off clean. So now for the moment of truth, eh?
It's pretty good. Oh my god.
That is crazy.
This looks mental. What?
The rear shot with the tyre as well. That's crazy, bro. Wait till it has an SC on it. I don't want to stop looking at it, eh?
I know. I can't stop filming it.
There you have it. Monster Fairings, everyone. Absolutely killed it. The colour's fantastic. The build is complete. I could probably get a couple bits more carbon fibre, but fuck. This is exactly what I wanted an R1 to look like for this generation, and I've literally built it exactly how I wanted it. So minus the exhaust, but we're changing that soon. Fuck, that's crazy, eh?